Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to deactivate your account on Pinterest. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is just head over to the Pinterest application and open that up. Once you're on the Pinterest application, you can go over to the saved profile option, so just all the way on the right. And then you want to go up to the top right option, so it's just the settings there. Once you're on here, you can go to account settings. And then when you scroll down, you see an option to deactivate your account. So you can click on that, and then it just wants you to confirm that you want to deactivate your account. So it's just going to basically make sure that no one sees your pins or your profile, and you won't be linked to Facebook, Google, Instagram, or anything like that anymore. So if you're cool with that, this is just temporary anyway because it's deactivating, not deleting. If you're cool with it, just click on next. And then just want to know why you're leaving, so just choose whatever you want here. I'm just going to click other, and then you want to click deactivate your account. And then as you can see, your account has been deactivated. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.